Every time you search for something on Amazon, you probably see brands you have never heard of. And sometimes, the product has few good reviews, but you are not sure whether that brand is actually trustworthy. Today, I will show you a free Chrome extension that automatically highlights these suspicious brands, so shopping on Amazon becomes much less risky. This extension is called Knockoff. It is available for Chrome and Firefox browsers. It works directly inside Amazon. Instead of making you open every product page to check the brand, it tells you right inside the search results. Let's see it in action. I will leave the link for this extension in the description. Go ahead and add it to Chrome. Let's search for charging cable. The extension immediately starts analyzing every product. Some products stay normal, some get a warning. And depending on your settings, they can even become faded or disappear completely. You can choose how aggressive you want the filters to be. Relaxed, standard or strict. For most people, standard works well. Then you can hide sponsored content in search results and display seller's country. You can also filter out products based on average rating and minimum number of reviews. Amazon could have given these one-click filters to enhance the shopping experience. Now, here is something important. This extension is not perfect. A new genuine brand or a lesser-known company you personally trust might sometimes get flagged. That's why you can whitelist any brand with a single click. The extension does not require an account. It does not track your shopping. Everything runs locally inside your browser. You may still want to check reviews, seller ratings, and product history, but this is a very useful first filter that removes a lot of the clutter. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.